We work hard to give everyone the very best. And when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. And as much as we think we're doing a great job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. If we can help you, simply contact the number on your screen. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.